Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best handheld shower heads with slide bars on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Aqua Dance Stainless Steel Slide Bar Combo Rain Shower Head. Aqua Dance Rain Shower Head includes a stainless steel slide bar. The 7-inch shower head is made of ABS plastic and has a hand shower with 6 settings. This set has a chrome finish with a stainless steel flexible hose. Features: can be used as overhead or handheld shower, large 4-inch face, high-power click lever dial, ergonomic grip handle, rub clean jets, for easy cleaning and preventing line buildup. Angle adjustable, modern design, all-surface brushed nickel finish, including face. Each shower has 6 settings: power rain, pulsating massage, power mist, rain massage, rain mist, water-saving pause mode. Patented 3-way water diverter, simply turn switch to direct water flow between 2 showers. Features anti-swivel position lock nut for easy and secure connection. Angle adjustable overhead bracket, lets you point each shower where you want it for hands-free operation at desired angle. Reinforced 5 feet, stainless steel hose, durable heavy-duty design with brass connection nuts. Includes 6-setting 7-inch rain shower head, 6-setting hand shower, 3-way water diverter with built-in bracket, shower hose, washers, plumber's tape, installation and manual. Stunning gift box designed in US, sophisticated, upscale packaging for a perfect gift. Easy tool-free connection, no need to call a plumber, installed in minutes with just 4 hand-tightened connections. Fits any standard shower arm. Pros: tool-free installation. Ergonomic handle. Easy to clean. Various rainfall settings. High-power click lever dial. Cons: pressure may be low. Number 2. Second best pick is Egretshower Handheld Showerhead and Rain Shower Combo. The Handheld Showerhead and Rain Shower Combo from Egretshower includes a 27.5-inch adjustable stainless steel slide bar. It has a 60-inch hose with a brushed nickel finish for easy mobility. The 5-inch large face offers a soft, comfortable water flow with 5 functions, adjustable with a high-power click lever dial and a swivel ball joint. Features: no plumber needed, no tools required, mounts instantly in 5 minutes, no drilling or wall damage. 27.5-inch stainless steel drill-free bar with adjustable slider, 5-foot flexible stainless steel shower hose with 2 brass nuts, washers, Teflon tape, installation manual included. It is suitable for most showers. It fits most showers. Must have minimum 28-inch smooth wall space between the overhead shower arm and the mixing valve. Features large 5-inch face, high-power click lever dial and angle adjustable innovative design. 5 settings include rain/massage/rain and massage/bubbling massage/rain and bubbling massage, full brush nickel, including back and face. The shower head with handheld is constructed from brushed nickel-plated ABS material which is non-toxic, durable and lightweight. The adjustable swivel ball joint and stainless steel hose give you a larger shower area. Don't have to suffer from 2 shower heads with clogged nozzles for spraying in the wrong direction. With unique self-cleaning nozzles which are made from mineral-resistant silicone, and resistant to lime and mineral deposits, calcium and mineral deposits can be easily removed by rubbing the nozzle back and forth with water on. Pros: anti-clogging nozzles. Lightweight. Non-toxic. Tool-free installation. Cons: plastic parts may be weak. Number 3. Third best pick is Homelody Shower System. Homelody Shower System is designed with a 5-function handheld showerhead and features an adjustable slide bar and a 59-inch long stainless steel hose with a brushed nickel finish. The overhead shower has an 8-inch face, while the handheld shower has a 4-inch face. Features: 8-inch overhead rainfall shower head and 4 handheld shower head. The two shower heads are both angle adjustable, perfect for enjoying a multi-angle rain shower experience. The hand shower includes 5 settings: full body spray, massage spray, soft spray, high pressure jet spray. Pause. Note: 2 shower heads cannot be used together. No need to contact a plumber and save your fees. Surface mounted, connects to your current showerhead location and stays in your existing hot/cold shower valve. Not included in this package, retrofits your existing shower without a remodel. Wire soap dish, 59-inch stainless steel hose, adjustable height slide bar, max 22, up and down, luxurious look with all surface finish, diverter and shower arm. Silicone spray holes on shower heads allow you easily to wipe away limescale buildup with the touch of a finger. Equipped with stainless steel and plating surface, the shower head with Handheld is more anti-oxidation, corrosion and rust resistant for a longer lifespan. Pros: wired soap dish, silicone spray holes, easy to clean, rust resistant, long lasting. Cons: plumbing design may not be good. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Moen Eco Performance Handheld Showerhead. The water-saving shower combo from Moen includes a 69-inch long double interlocking spiral hose. It has 4 spray modes and a 30-inch slide bar with adjustable height. The wall bracket is adjustable, and the shower combo has a mirror-like chrome finish, offering a powerful wash with a 4-inch shower face. Features: chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Hand shower with a slide bar allows for adjustable height. Showerhead provides a powerful rinse. Complies with Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) specifications. Pros: available in 3 finishes. Meets WaterSense criteria. Corrosion resistant. Includes installation hardware. Cons: showerhead may not stay in position on swivel mode. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Bright Shower's stainless steel slide bar with Handheld showerhead. Bright Shower's round showerhead combo includes a grab rail that can support up to 220 pounds. The slide bar features a removable shower arm with an adjustable showerhead height. Its massage spray setting offers a relaxing bath. The set is made of alloy steel with a brushed nickel finish and has a stainless steel hose measuring 60 inches with a 360-degree rotation facility. Features: this shower head slide bar is equipped with a removable shower arm that allows you to adjust the height of the shower head so you can enjoy the comfort of the shower. Comfortable and relaxing patented relaxing massage spray setting. Handheld shower head let you relax in the shower and enjoy the shower time. Large bearing capacity. This slide bathroom grab bar supports up to 220 pounds. You can hang anything you need on it. Brushed nickel finishing. Robust and safe. This shower head slide bar is designed to be durable. Stainless steel construction. Secure mount design. Stainless steel is durable and easy to clean. Pros: ergonomic handle, secure mount design, easy to clean, anti-clogging silicone jets. Cons: showerhead may not be angled downward. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.